Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the user password on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Accounts from the left sidebar. In Accounts Settings, select Sign-in Options. Now click Password. In the drop-down menu, select Change. You'll need to enter your current password to continue. You can then enter your new password, confirm it again, and then write a password hint. Click Next and then Finish. Your user password has been updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.